Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest in tech and gadgets. Today, we've got something truly fascinating for all the PC enthusiasts out there. The Lian UNI Fan SL Infinity 120 RGB. It's not just a fan, it's a cooling revolution. Let's dive in. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. You'll find three 120mm SL Infinity fans, a controller, and all the necessary cables for installation. These fans are designed to impress with dimensions of 120 by 122.1 by 25 mm and a max rotational speed of 2100 RPM. These fans are not just about performance, they're also a visual delight. With 40 LEDs in each fan and an infinity mirror design, they'll light up your rig like never before. And guess what? You can control both fan speed and LED lighting through the included controller. The design is where these fans truly shine. The circular infinity mirror at the center creates mesmerizing multi-layer lighting effects that will leave your friends in awe. But that's not all. There are thin LED strips on both sides of the fan blades in aluminum trims that create a 3D indented look. Even the Lian Li logo at the rear boasts a bright RGB rim of light. Lian Li has taken modularity to the next level with these fans. They feature a pin-to-pad contact point that allows you to daisy chain up to 4 fans in a cluster, simplifying cable management. Plus, the interlocking key on each fan is removable, making them compatible with radiator fittings. The cable module is now centered on the fan, and it's reversible. This means fewer clearance issues with radiator inlets and outlets, giving you more flexibility when setting up your cooling solution. Of course, it's not all about looks. These fans perform exceptionally well. The SL Infinity 120 offers a 10% performance optimization compared to its predecessor. With better airflow, higher static pressure, and a larger fan speed range, you can expect top-notch cooling without sacrificing peace and quiet. So, there you have it, the Lian UNI Fan SL Infinity 120 RGB, a fusion of aesthetics and performance. Whether you're an avid gamer, content creator, or just a PC enthusiast, these fans will elevate your PC's cooling game. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting tech reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and stay cool with Lian Li's UNI Fan SL Infinity 120 RGB. Until next time.